Not inside.
Like this.
I'm gonna try this for sure.
You wanna try?
I'm gonna try it. You're trying this? So you slurp it, okay?
Ang laki ng freezer. Hindi mo naman maramdaman pag kinain mo.
Hot sauce.
No hot sauce?
So,
A little bit of salt.
you should try, guys.
I will. I just want to see how you eat it.
Normally, I eat balut like that.
Yeah?
So I don't wanna peel it.
Do you eat the whole thing at once? Or do you
Yes,
just like
yes.
take a bite, small bites? Oh wow.
And that's good, eh?
That's amazing. Okay. Oh, it's hot. It's cooked. A little bit cooked. Balut!
Sabi mo, pukpukin, asinan.
Ah, it's really hot.
You got water there.
Oh.
And then there's a sauce, so you have to drink that one.
Okay.
Yep.
Drink it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you filming?
Yep. Oh yeah. That looks very good.
Tastes like an egg. Tastes like an egg. Okay. Hot sauce?
Vinegar
Vinegar?
and salt. You have to do.
Sure, why not? Oh,
Take a look at that right there.
disgusting.
Take a look at that.
Disgusting.
Shh. Don't say that.
No, I'm
That's
not
rude.
saying that.
This is what they eat here.
Yeah, eat it all.
Okay. So which one do I put? The salt?
The salt, and then the vinegar.
Yeah, let's go salty. You have to do like this.
Okay. Show me.
Okay, go ahead, man.
No kidding.
It's good. Very good.
Balut!